Okay, here we are, Matthew Russell Lee, Inner City Press, here at the Southern District of New York Courthouse today, Friday, August 16th, 2024. We're going to have a theme here. It's called the Supreme Court in various iterations. Now, first of all, on the Trump docket, as we posted yesterday, but we'll repeat here with a little bit more, Trump has asked for a delay of his September 18th sentencing by Judge Merchan, just around the corner, 100 Center Street, in part saying that Judge Merchan is going to rule on September 16th on the application of the Supreme Court's immunity decision to the conviction, with the use of testimony by Hope Hicks and others about events inside the White House. This is evidence under the Supreme Court's decision. Not only is there immunity for acts as a president, but the evidence during that time can't really be used. And some of it was used. Whether it was enough, it was called crucial by Steinglass. In any event, he said that he needs, the 16th will come that decision, and the 18th is the sentencing. He needs time to appeal and asked to have it pushed back until after the election. We'll see what Judge Merchan does. We're all over that one. Now, we covered yesterday, it was a bit of a strange day, we covered a Ninth Circuit out in California appeal because it's an NFT case. NFT, crypto, we cover this stuff. We covered the OpenSea case, we covered the Meta Birkins case, and now we're covering what? The Ryder Rips Bored Apes Yacht Club case. And it's more interesting than you might think, because the question becomes, if you turn something into an NFT and also add a little bit, sprinkle on a little bit of critique and mockery and satire, does it still violate copyright or trademark? And it seems to me, from the questions asked, that the Ninth Circuit is saying this is different. This is the lawyer for Ryder Rips said, if you do an NFT of the Mona Lisa, you're not claiming to own them. You're not claiming to own the Mona Lisa. The lawyer for Yuga Labs, the Bored Apes Yacht Club people, they said, no, this is more akin to the Jack Daniels Supreme Court case, in which Jack Daniels effectively went after Bad Spaniel, which was mocking them, but also trying to make money off it. Well, so is Ryder Rips. But I have a feeling this case is headed further up, and we're going to continue to follow it all the way. Now, here in SDNY, there was a hearing in a long-standing case about terrorism and Hamas. It's a case against Cairo Amman Bank for assisting a Hamas attack in Jerusalem, allegedly, in the complaint. Now, the Supreme Court decision that was cited, and that I believe there's going to be some briefing on, is the applicability of Twitter versus Tamnay, which Twitter won at the Supreme Court, basically saying, making it more difficult to say that a platform, or in this case a bank, can be linked to aiding and abetting liability for assisting various things, in this case terrorism. So there's some briefs due, and I've taken a renewed interest in that case for the legal issues as well as the Hamas issues, very timely. UN totally failing on that front, totally sweeping things under the carpet, totally lying. So we'll be all over it. There was, of course, crime. We went into the MAG court yesterday and covered a case of a guy charged with one, but alleged by the prosecutors to be linked to 8 armed robberies in the Bronx, all using the same car without plates. But when they opened up the trunk, the guy's license plates were in the back. The car was registered to him. Now that sort of militates for he's not at risk of flight. He's pretty much hiding in plain sight. He was detained, but he has another hearing next week, and we'll cover it. But that'll be next week. For now, as we continue to push the UN for its corruption and censorship, have a good weekend. Heading into the SDNY. To be continued.